Midea makes yourself at home. Midea ATW M-Thermal Heat Pump Water Heater. Midea M-Thermal Series air source heat pumps can provide all-in-one solution for space heating and cooling and sanitary water, including M-Thermal Split Type and M-Thermal Mono Type. They not only supply hot water for fan coil, floor heating system, sanitary water tank. All the key components of M-Thermal are from world-leading manufacturers, guaranteeing high reliability and stable operation. The M-Thermal series boasts substantial benefits such as wide operation range, easy installation, and enhanced comfort. There is no need for extra refrigerant charge when the piping length between outdoor unit and hydraulic module is less than 10 meters. The hydraulic module includes high-efficiency water pump, and the high-efficiency heat exchanger has a compact size and can bear high temperature and pressure. Besides, M-Thermal heat pumps are also compatible with the solar collector, gas furnace, boiler, and other heat sources. The M-Thermal Monotype has the integrated design with built-in hydraulic kit, and only water pipes are needed to be installed at site. Both M-Thermal Split and Monotypes can remain consistent performance at lower ambient temperature, even at -20 degrees Celsius in heating mode. Heating capacity of M-Thermal heat pumps can remain 80% at -7 degrees Celsius. Normal heating systems can't separately control each room's temperature. Midea M-Thermal heat pumps can realize 2 zones control with 1 wired controller. Thermostats can sense different rooms' temperature and control the operation of water pump and compressor. Achieving intelligent control and saving energy. In cooling or heating mode, the users can choose the climate correlation curve, and then system will set the outlet water temperature. According to the outdoor ambient temperature automatically. Besides, M-Thermal can also provide 8 priority and malfunction operation modes. Space heating operation mode. Silent mode. 15 to 20 decibel A can be reduced compared with normal operation when the silent mode operation starts, and the outdoor unit will reduce the compressor and fan motor speed to lower the noise. Cooling operation mode. Domestic hot water operation mode. In domestic hot water mode, compressor and fan motor will run in full load and auxiliary heat source will run accordingly. to supply hot water as soon as possible. Disinfect mode. Auto mode. Holiday mode. Back home mode. Both M thermal split and monotypes have high COP and EER, achieving A++ rated energy efficiency. Midea ATW M thermal heat pump water heater provides more comfort and flexibility, making you feel at home. Midea ATW M thermal heat pump water heater